Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Samsung washing machine, yeah, 11 kg, and this problem is customer call me. It's cannot spinning. It's not spinning, so it's not drying cloth. So let's see. Turn it on. Set it spin mode. Okay. Then press the start button. There is water inside. There is water, so water should the draining. If you need to spin, the water should drain. Yeah, see, water is not draining, so water is not draining. So see, inside there is water, but water is not draining. So this should be drain motor problem, because there is no error code. If there is no error code in this machine, so this normally problem is the drain motor. Yeah, there is drain motor. See, yeah, this black, yeah, this is the drain motor. It's not pulling to the water, so it should drain. So it's not draining water. See, it's not pulling. So this problem is the drain motor. For before we change, we have to see there is AC bolt present or not. So this is the connector. Yeah, two connector. I connect the my meter proof. We have to see there is AC bolt present or not. So just plug it in, turn it on, then again same things, we have to set it the spin mode. Yeah, there is AC bolt present, 241 volt. So there is AC bolt present. For this motor working needs AC bolt present. So AC bolt is present, but that motor is not working. So that means it's confirmed as a drain motor is problem. So this is the new drain motor. This is supposed to pull. Okay, it's not pulling. So it's very easy to change. You can change by yourself, because there is just two screw only. So see, there is two screws. So I'll change this drain motor, then video will be back. Yeah, see, there is one, and on top there is one screw. There are two screw only. So dear viewers, I have changed. This is the old one. Yeah, I have changed. It was very easy. It's when you remove, then you can see how do you remove, and like that you fix it. Very easy. It's not difficult. Let me more tight it. It should be after you fix it, this wire should be loose, little bit loose. Yeah, just reconnect all the cable. So I'll see, finally we test it. How is it? Because there is now no water inside, so we set it the spin mode. Start. Inside there is no water, so if there is little bit water only, that water will come out, will drain. Okay, then after that it will spin if everything is okay. Okay, see, alhamdulillah, so it's working fine. See, now it's spinning. Now it's spinning. So it was problem only this drain motor. Yeah, this drain motor you can change it by yourself. Okay dear viewers, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.